We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button, tell me know you watch this video, helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So this is a stock that's been beaten down nearly 90% plus from its highs to the bottom, right? And has it really found a bottom? Because it's not that far from it. Just 40 cents away from it. We're going to break it all down in today's video, but this stock has had some very interesting insider buying, and that right there caught my attention. We're going to break it all down, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to get on early with us, every single morning we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we're going to jump right into it here with TMC, the Metals Company Inc., and why this is a stock you do not want to overlook. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the stocks I mentioned this morning. PSTV gave 10 to 15% in the pre-market towards the bell, but HOTH turned out to be the home run of the day. It was spectacular and beyond expectations. We caught this one as it was consolidating and still showing strength here on 42 vision. Even though there was a bear indicator, it was still pretty strong. HOTH towards the bell started pushing up higher, nearly 20%, pulled back down after the bell, got that bull indicator on ultimate 42 vision, and the strength there on 42 vision all the way to a highest point of 70% plus, guys. If you want to get on early with us, we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with TMC, and TMC, the Metals Company Inc., has been pushing upwards after hitting a 52-week low of 167, 166, give or take, right? It's bounced off of that, has gotten strength, and you could see a big spike here. If you zoom out, how big that volume bar is and how big it was of an impact for the day. I mean, if we go ahead and look at it just alone, the amount of volume was 173K, and that is nearly 10% of volume per day that we've been seeing in the last 10 days. So if we pull up Ultimate 42 Vision here, which by the way, you can now gain access to as well, the link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators to bring you clarity, to maximize on opportunities through the volatility of the market. Check it out if you haven't already. And if you're a first time viewer, I definitely want you to be aware that there's more than just these videos. There's also indicators, a community of investors, and daily opportunities once you get connected to the 42 vision indicator to maximize no matter what goes on in the market. So TMC, like, why am I watching it? I mean, this stock has fallen 90%, right? Since its highs, 90% plus actually, hit these lows, and we don't even know if that's the bottom, right? Based off the 30-minute, you could see how volatile it's been. You get that bull indicator, you get that bear indicator, back and forth. But if I put the 4-hour, you could see the bigger picture here, how this has had one bear indicator since $9 all the way down to 3, from 3 all the way up to $3 and almost $4, $3.98. Got another bear indicator from 370 all the way down to 180. Bounced back up for just a few cents. Got another bear indicator from $2 all the way down to 160. And now it's trying to push back up under a bull indicator. Now, why is it pushing back up? And what's been going on recently as this was pulling downwards, that people have their eyes on it, or at least the ones that are aware, right? That's what we're going to talk about in this video, what's been going on and how important it is, because if you look at the amount of volume per day that's been traded, right, it hasn't been that high. So the first thing is we need volume to pick up, right, to continue this consistency of either holding up and not retesting the 52-week low, or going up and continue to hit newer highs. So what's been happening? What happened in the last several days that this went towards a new low, bounced off of it, and what's going on? Like, why is it worth watching? Because the stock's been down completely, drastically. So here I am to share with you guys why it is you want to be aware of this, and this could turn out to be a huge opportunity, okay? The first thing is, this company is in a sector that falls a little bit under materials and also growth, right? So you definitely want to be aware of that and everything that they have to offer and what they do. So this is huge, okay? Because this is going to be probably one of the hottest sectors in the next coming years, especially with the EV sector needing, materials and certain stuff for batteries and so forth. But let's talk about what's happening right now and why you want to be aware of this. So this right here is the chief executive officer, right? The CEO and the director, right, of a hedge fund buying huge amounts of shares, okay, at some very interesting prices. So anything below $2, in my opinion, is a steal if you have these directors and chief executive officers buying at the $4 mark, at the $2 mark. That says something, okay? And the filing date of the most recent one, which was 1 million in quantity, 2 million in size, was January 3rd, okay? That was yesterday. So the trade date was on the 31st, on the 24th, okay? And you have the CEO and the director of this hedge fund purchasing large amounts at huge amounts. Like right now, this director here owns a total of about 13.5 million, okay? And the CEO owns a total of almost, you could say, 300,000 in total, right? When it comes to quantity in fiat, right, in dollars. So they're taking a huge bet. First off, the CEO on his own company at these lows, I guess he thinks this is undervalued. And then you have a director here of a hedge fund purchasing by the millions, okay? They're seeing something we don't see. And if you really look at the chart, if this company is even going to exist or reverse or have any potential, it's going to start from down here. Because we already saw that it started from up here and it just collapsed. So the only thing you can look at this and say, well, how much worse could it get, right? So anything below $2 based off their decisions, right? Because they know something we don't know. I think anything below it is a steal, okay? For either a short-term opportunity, a speculative opportunity, or a long-term opportunity. I personally think it's a huge opportunity. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. But if they bought at $4, they bought at $2, right? Their average is anywhere between $2 to $3, right? Now, when you do the whole math, they have to break through that to reach newer highs, right? To have any experience of any growth. So if they bought on the 27th, on the 29th, on the 31st, as things started to reverse, either they feel, right, that this is bottomed, or they're trying to catch as close as possible to the bottom, and if it retested, they'll reanalyze and go ahead and grab some more, because this is pretty low, guys. Like, this is as low as it's ever been. So it can only get worse from here or much, much better, right? So it could take some time. This is a speculative opportunity, but I am going to be watching it based off of the 4-hour, how you could see here. It's under a bull indicator. See if this bottoms out and stays away from 167, doesn't retest it, holds above $2 and breaks away to newer highs and starts to find a new area to consolidate up here in the 3s or 4s before the next leg up. And if news and information comes out and this continues to push up higher, it could turn out to be a huge opportunity, in my opinion. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money. If you made it to this point in the video, I want to say thank you for supporting the channel, and I really do appreciate the fact that you guys find value in everything that I share and update every single day. If it's your first time coming across the channel, thank you as well. And if you're a frequent viewer, I want you guys to be aware, new or frequent, that you have more to obtain than just these YouTube videos. I offer more than just these YouTube videos. And as you can see on the screen, these are the home runs of the day today. And if you look closely at the charts, you could see the strength and weaknesses within the chart with 42 vision going from red to green and from green to red when there's weakness and strength, and also the placements of these bull and bear indicators, which is the new upgrade that just got released. Every single investor is loving it and maximizing on opportunities with the clarity that it brings through the volatility. And you can receive this now as well. The 42 vision indicator link is down below in the description. And by joining the 42 vision tier level, you will gain access to the daily watch list, home runs that I strive for every single day, the weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the premium indicators to receive the clarity and confidence you deserve to maximize on opportunities through the volatility of the markets, guys. And these work live in action within the charts, within the volatility, to bring clarity, simplify, and enhance the charting experience, no matter what experience you have in trading and in charting, guys. Check out the link down below if you haven't already to see everything there is to offer. And once again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.